Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a tutorial of this look right here, and I created this look using the brand new Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and this is the look that Jaclyn was wearing during the campaign photo shoot, and this look was beautiful. And not only that, I will also be giving you my small review or mini review throughout the video, so please watch the entire video. Before starting, please take a moment to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm taking Therapy Stash, which is a beautiful purple color, and I'm just applying it slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. So this is going to be basically my transition shade, and I must say this shade is very beautiful, very pigmented, and I did not have any issue in terms of blending. It was blending beautifully. It was very smooth. And again, I'm just slowly building up the pigmentation because I do not want any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking Not My Journey. It is a beautiful bluish purple color, and I'm just first packing in the color, and then I'll be blending it out using the same brush, and then I'm just blending it out, and I'm also applying the same color on my crease as well because I'm going to cut my crease, and for that my crease has to be really dark and deep. And one more thing, this particular color actually stained my eyes and it stayed throughout the next day, so please keep that thing in mind. Now I'm just applying a concealer. Basically I'm cutting my crease, and you can see my natural crease is right in the middle part of my eyelid, so I'm creating a new crease by placing the concealer a little bit higher. Now taking some micellar water in a q-tip, I'm just cleaning up my eyelid to have that crisp cut crease look. I generally do not follow this step, but this purple was so pigmented, so I just decided to clean up my eyelid because I do not want it to mix up with the orange shade that I will be applying on my eyelid. I'm just reapplying the concealer. I'm just diffusing the borders of the concealer with my finger so that blending becomes easier later on. Now I'm taking My Man, which is a beautiful vibrant orange color, and I'm just again packing it in on my eyelid. Again, this color was so pigmented and it was so smooth. You can see there is no fallout at all. It was not at all powdery. It was very smooth. It was not chalky. I was super duper impressed by the quality of this eyeshadow. Now taking the dark purple color, I'm just blending out the edges so that there is no harsh line. If you look at the picture carefully, you can totally see there is some kind of shimmery shade in her outer corner. I think this is like a shimmery purpley pink shade, and so I'm taking the shade called Paolo. It is again a very shimmery like purple color with a hint of pink in it. I think this is a perfect shade that she was wearing, and I'm just applying it between the orange shade and the dark purple shade. Now I'm just drawing a wing using my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Jet Black. If you look at her picture, she has a pretty sharp wing going on, and I wanted to mimic the same thing here. I'm just tightening my eyes using my Jordana eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. She also has a black eyeliner on her waterline. Now taking the purple shade, I'm just applying it on the outer part of my lower lash line. Actually, I'm not dragging the color in. Now I'm taking Stage 2, which is a beautiful dark purple color, and I'm just applying it on top of the previous shade just to give it a little bit of depth. I'm applying the orange shade on the inner part of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the Stage 2, which is a beautiful dark purple color, and I'm just applying it on top of the previous shade just to give it a little bit of depth. I'm applying the orange shade on the inner part of my lower lash line.
Now I'm applying the orange shade on the inner part of my lower lash line.
I'm taking Certified, which is a matte creamy white shade. It is not a flat white, it is somehow a creamy white shade, and I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners. She, I think, had a matte highlighter on her brow bone and on her inner corner. It's not shimmery at all, so I think she had this particular shade. Now I'm just curling my natural lashes with this big eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'll be applying falsies off camera, and then this look will be done. And here is the final look. I hope I have done enough justice to the look, and to be very honest, I am very impressed with the quality of this eyeshadow palette. The shadows that I used, of course I haven't used all the shades, but the shades that I used are beautiful. They are pigmented, they blended beautifully. I did not have any fallout, and also they lasted pretty well on my eyelids, so I highly recommend you this palette. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. See you soon in my next one. Till then, bye.